Today we're unboxing the live-action Ariel dolls because we're going to be introducing the live-action Ariel dolls family. We're so excited. So tune in and subscribe today so you don't miss it. First up is the Little Mermaid Ariel and Eric Petite gift set. How adorable! Oh my gosh, look at all that it comes with. Let's get it open. Wow, this looks so amazing. First up is Mini Ariel. So she looks so cute. I love her hair. It's just gorgeous. And then she has these little cute sandals, this cute little blue dress. I just think she's so adorable. All right, here's little Eric. He looks adorable as well. I think he looks just like the taller version, but just shorter and a toddler size, so perfect. Oh, just look at them together, just so cute. The set also comes with Eric's dog, Max, really cute. Also comes with Sebastian. What would we do without him? He's so adorable. The set also comes with this shell, the one that I think that she blows in the movie and it makes a loud noise. And also his little mermaid that he gives her. He gives her this little mermaid, if you remember. And so that's actually quite beautiful. And there you go. This is what the set comes with. Right here. So lovely. All right, let's move on. Next up is Vanessa. So this is Ursula, and she is being camouflaged by this beautiful woman named Vanessa. Let's get her out of the box. Oh, she looks lovely. Let's get her out completely and see what she looks like. Vanessa is very beautiful. Her hair is gorgeous, and she has the little necklace, and that looks like it could come off. There is a band here holding it in place. And then she has this really beautiful long purple dress. It actually goes past her heels. She has these cute black heels, but you really can't see them when she's just standing. But she looks very elegant. And yes, I think that she could fool a prince into thinking she was the one. But she's not. Next up is the Little Mermaid Ariel and Prince Eric set. So this is where she's just wearing the blue dress and she's not, in her mermaid form. So I think that's kind of cool. So let's get them out. All right, looking good so far. Let's get them out of this completely and we'll see how they look. Okay, here is Eric and Ariel together. She's got a cute little purse, her pink little boots that she wears in the movie. The dress is really lovely. It does have a lot of detail. This is plastic and it can come off. And this, her hair does have a mixture of both real hair and then there's this yarn hair. A couple of the pieces of the yarn hair did start to come unraveled, but I can just clip that and it will be fine. Eric looks fine. He has a vest and a shirt, but his pants are plastic and his boots do come off. So that's nice. But they look lovely. They're going on their little stroll together to see, to see his town around the castle. Last but not least, we will be unboxing this beautiful mermaid Ariel doll. This is actually a collector's edition and it has a stand that goes with it. You can see it kind of in the box, but we'll take it all out and show you. Wow, she looks so amazing. What I love about this edition, it's a deluxe edition, not really collector's edition, but a deluxe edition because she has her tail on and you can take the tail off, and she also has feet. So you can use her. I just think that it's nice to have both versions in one doll. So we'll get her out. Okay, this doll is very glamorous, very deluxe. Her hair also has both types of hair. She also has the raised eyelashes, which is beautiful, unlike the other one. And then she's just got this beautiful tail that can come off. And so I just think that that's really neat. And then this stand is really cool because you can just put this around her waist, and you can display her on this beautiful stand, which I think is amazing. So this is the new Ariel doll series, the sets that we found, and we will be introducing this live action Ariel dolls family. So make sure to subscribe today to tune in for that coming up soon. All right, thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.